Hello all, welcome to IMS. I'm Aditya and today we will be discussing step-by-step form filling procedure for Christ University. Now, as you all know, Christ Entrance Test 2021 has already been announced. This examination is supposed to be held in 3 slots. The first slot is from March 21st to March 22nd. The second slot will be from April 10th to April 11th, and the third slot is after your boards from June 19th to June 20th. Now, this examination will give you an entry to Christ University campus across 3 major locations, which is Bangalore, Delhi NCR, and Pune Lavasa. You can always log on into christuniversity.in to know more about their programs. Now, let's quickly look at the programs which Christ University is offering. So, when I talk about management as a graduation stream, it has BBA and hotel management. When I talk about business studies and social sciences, we have BBA honors, BBA in finance and international business, BA in economics, BSc in psychology. Core commerce stream will include BCom and BCom honors as their programs. For law, we have BA LLB and BBA LLB. Now note that these are 5-year programs. Then we have arts and humanities as graduation streams, which have BA in communication and media as their programs. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. Although this list is not exhaustive, but we have tried to capture the most important programs of Christ University. So when it comes to eligibility, students writing class 12th boards in March to May 2021 will be eligible. The international baccalaureate with 3 higher level and 3 standard level with 24 credits will be eligible. And then we have Edexcel students and GCE students with a minimum of 3 A levels with a grade not less than C, again eligible to apply for these programs. Now let's quickly look at the location availability. So programs like BBA, BBA honors, BBA FIB, BBA BA, all these programs are available in Bangalore, Lavasa and Ghaziabad. BCom honors available in Bangalore, Lavasa, Ghaziabad again. BA BSc is again available in Bangalore, Lavasa and Ghaziabad. BA LLB is available again in all the 3 campuses. BSc Data Science is only available in Lavasa. Now, speaking about the programs, of course, BBA becomes the most generic program, but then you have also specialized programs in business analytics, finance and international business, and decision science. So also for people who are confused to choose between BA LLB and BBA LLB, again, our suggestion would be to go ahead with something which you have already done in your 12th. So a person who is from humanities, BLLB would be something more comfortable. And for a person who has done commerce in their 12th, BBLLB would be something which would be more appropriate and comfortable for them. And in the long term, it really doesn't matter whether you are a BALLB or a BBLLB. Eventually, you'll be called a lawyer from Christ University. So choose your options carefully. Speaking of the selection process, Christ entails a very unique way of testing who are the eligible students to study in Christ. So you have an entrance test which is spread across 3 slots. It will be followed by a micro presentation for 90 seconds in which you will be given a topic and you're supposed to think on your feet and give a extempore speech of 90 seconds. And then it will be followed by a personal interview. Your past performance in 10th, 11th, 12th will also be considered when we are speaking about the personal interview which will happen. Now the candidate should face all the other rounds such as SA, MP, PI individually for all applied programs as per their admit card. So let's look at the important dates here. So the last date to apply for round 1 is 10th of March. For round 2 is 28th of March and for round 3 it is 9th of June. The entrance test of course is for round 1, 21, 22nd March. For round 2, it is 10th to 11th April. For round 3, it is 19th to 20th June. And of course, then we have micro presentation and personal interview. So for round 1, it is 21st to 31st March, spread across a span of 10 days. Similarly, for round 2, again spread across a span of 10 days, 10 to 20th April. And then for round 3, it is 20th to 24th June. Now let's quickly look at the test pattern for Christ BCom, BHM, BBA, Finance and Accounting Entrance Test 2021. So the number of total questions will be 120 and the number of minutes which will be given again will be 120. So 2 hours mein you are supposed to take 120 questions. The marking scheme, for a correct answer you will get 1 mark. For an incorrect answer you will get 0.25 negative marks. Now what are the subject areas? So of course we have fundamental accounting, mathematics, data analysis and interpretation, general knowledge and English. And all these subjects contain 20 questions each. Also, when I talk about the pattern, it is applicable for BCom Honors, BCom Finance and Accounting, BCom Strategic Finance, BCom, International Finance, and then Bachelor's in Hotel Management as well. Now let's look at the Christ BBA entrance test. So this is the exact pattern when it comes to the BBA entrance test for Christ. So you have 10 questions from fundamental accounting, English has 25 questions, mathematics has 20 questions, reasoning has 25 questions, data analysis has 20 questions, and then GK has 20 questions. So again, 120 minutes, 120 questions, 1 mark for correct answer, 0.25 negative mark for an incorrect answer. And then of course we have the Christ Law entrance test. Again, the number of questions. So English, reasoning, general knowledge, data analysis and interpretation are common, and you could have seen it in BBA entrance examination or BCom entrance examinations. All of these entrance tests contain these common subjects. The number of questions from English is 30, from reasoning it is 25, from GK it is 30, and data analysis and interpretation it has 20. Current affairs is asked exclusively when it comes to the Christ Law ET, and the number of questions which are asked here are 15. So let's quickly look at the checklist for the form filling process. So do keep a 35 into 45 millimeter wide background photograph in JPEG format, which should be less than 100 KB. You also are supposed to have your senior secondary and class 11 mark sheet if you are still studying in your class 12, and then of course if you have passed your 12th standard, then your class 12 mark sheet. Payment can be made only in online mode, so keep a valid credit and debit card ready. Also, unlike other entrance examinations, Christ application form cannot be saved and edited later. It is supposed to be completed within 24 hours, or else you will have to restart the process again. So our suggestion would be to do the entire application form in a one go. Do not leave the application form in mid, because then the entire process will have to be repeated again. Now comes the easy part. So let's quickly look at how you are supposed to register and how you're supposed to exactly fill the application form. So you can see the register tab. The moment you get into the Christ University official website, click here to start the registration process. Your name should be entered exactly as you have done it in your class 10th mark sheet, and you should be ready with a valid email ID, as an OTP will be sent to that email ID in which you are putting in the registration tab. Right, then of course you'll get a OTP, and please click OK after you have received that OTP. Then it will redirect to this page wherein you are supposed to choose what programs do you want to pursue. So of course it will be undergraduate program. Then you'll have to choose between the kind of program which you want to select. So it could be BBA, it could be BBA in tourism, travel management, it could be hotel management, decision science, bachelor's in commerce, law, it could be anything. After you've chosen it, just remember that when you are choosing the college and program preferences, you need to select combination of school and program as well. So if your interest area is BBA, prefer it over BCom or honors or BA economics. So try and be a little specific when it comes to choosing a program when it comes to the Christ University. So under the management header, select the BBA program and proceed to select location. So it will prompt you to choose location. So be it Bangalore, be it Delhi NCR, Lavasa, you will be asked which is your preferred location. So the first two locations are mandatory. The third preference is optional. So our suggestion to the students would be to choose the preferred location which is closest to your house. So if you are living in Delhi NCR, your preferred location should be Delhi NCR, like that. When it comes to a few traditional courses, of course BBA in Bangalore campus is slightly advantageous. So you can do your prior bit of research and select colleges like that. But then before filling your preference in terms of the location, do your fair bit of research. So of course, Christ Bangalore is the oldest and the most reputed amongst all campuses, but proximity to your hometown, fees and other things could be important parameters to prefer or to choose a location over Bangalore as well. Right, then you will be asked to fill basic information and then you can go ahead with clicking on the continue button. Then read all the important terms, tick on the box and click on accept to proceed. After you have done that, this is something which you'll be getting. Click on the accept again. And then read all the terms and conditions carefully. Right, so be it a valid credit card, be it a statement of your 10th or 12th, all these things will be asked. Read them carefully and then accept. Then you'll have you'll be redirected to this detailed application page in which you'll be asked your citizenship, your Aadhaar card details, blood group, so on and so forth. So read all these instructions, all these requirements carefully. Accordingly, fill these requirements in the detailed application form and then click on submit. Select the interview location, select mode of payment and click to the payment page. Right, before we move to the payment page, make sure that when you are selecting the interview location, you should also consider the other examinations which will be happening. So make sure that the examinations which are lined up, so if you have a probability of clearing Christ, be ready that you will be asked to come and give your essay, PI, GD, the extempore speech which you'll be asked to come and give. So make sure that you choose the location in the most prominent locations. So Bangalore, Delhi NCR, Pune Lavasa could be something which you would want to choose because you will be immediately asked to visit these locations after you have cleared the entrance examination. So choose your interview location carefully. Make sure that you are choosing something which is closer to the location in which you will be called for the further procedures, which is GDPI and extempore speech. Right, and then you'll be asked your card number, all of these details. After successful payment, click on submit. 9-digit application number will be generated. After the payment, if you do not receive the 9-digit application number, then your application is incomplete and the payment will go in for refund. So then you'll have to get in touch with Christ University or wait for the refund to happen and then fill the application form again. Right, after completion, check the application status. It should be submitted. Repeat the process for other programs. Retain the hard copy of application form and fee receipt, application number and password. Also, guys, always remember Christ has a unique way of mitigating your unnecessary repetition when it comes to giving the examinations. So if you have chosen different examinations for similar courses and these examinations are in the same time slot, you can choose only one examination. So for instance, BCom Honors ka ek exam is happening from 10:30 to 12:30 and BCom Honors International Finance ka examination is happening again from 10:30 to 12:30. You just need to give one examination. Christ will consider this examination to give you, to select you for the personal interview round. So coming soon on our own IMS Career After 12th YouTube channel are the various form filling instruction videos for BBA and BMS entrance examination, and make sure you subscribe to us so that you are updated when it comes to career colleges, any thing which you want to know after you have done your 12th, and many more interesting videos. So all the best.